The rise of DeepSeek in AI development. DeepSeek, a groundbreaking Chinese artificial intelligence company, made waves in the AI landscape with its establishment in May 2023. Founded by Liang Wenfeng, who co-created the quantitative hedge fund Highflyer, DeepSeek emerged from an ambitious vision to delve into the unknown realms of artificial general intelligence, AGI. This journey began when Highflyer announced its conversion from trading to spearheading a new independent research initiative aimed at redefining the essence of intelligence itself. Headquartered in the vibrant city of Hangzhou, in the Zhejiang province, DeepSeek dedicates itself to progressing the field of AI through open-source large language models, LLMs. The company's commitment to transparency and accessibility is evident in its promise to provide all its models to the public. This landmark decision has resonated throughout the AI community, stimulating discussions and collaborations as researchers and developers across the globe unite to push the boundaries of technology. The initial release of the DeepSeek R1 model marked a significant milestone for the company, directly competing with OpenAI's Model O1. DeepSeek's approach of emphasizing foundational technologies over commercial applications garnered attention, not only for its innovation, but also for its potential to transform how AI is utilized. As the months rolled on, anticipation built around the upcoming DeepSeek V2 model, which debuted in May 2024 and set a new standard with its impressive capabilities. DeepSeek V2 not only showcased superior performance, but also did so at a fraction of the cost compared to its competitors, igniting a price war in the Chinese AI model market. This powerful tool captured the interest of both industry insiders and the general public, revolutionizing expectations surrounding LLMs. The savvy pricing strategy aligned with the company's ethos of making advanced AI accessible to a wider audience, democratizing technology that was previously reserved for a select few. In recent developments, DeepSeek's AI assistant, powered by the newly launched DeepSeek V3, achieved remarkable milestones by overtaking ChatGPT in downloads on the Apple App Store in the United States. This feat underscored DeepSeek's rapid growth and influence, solidifying its position as a pioneering force in the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. With every stride, DeepSeek continues to ignite curiosity and innovation, shaping the future of AI for generations to come.